How to see the analytics of your TikTok profile easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your analytics on TikTok in the easy way. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok and this is my profile. Now if you want to check your analytics, just go to the top corner and click here on those three lines and then click on creator tools, and after that click on analytics, the first option, and here you go. Here you will be able to see your analytics. Of course you should post at least one video. I didn't post any video, that's why I can't see the analytics. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.